In today's video, we're going to take you on a ride with us to Kroger. We utilize the Kroger Clicklist for 3 important reasons. This is just another way we love our heart. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell.
We go to Kroger and use their click list, and obviously we're not affiliated with Kroger. It's just something that's become a real convenience, and also there are a few other reasons. I'll let Shayna tell you why we are heading over to Kroger now to grab our groceries that are scheduled for pickup here in just a little bit.
We use Kroger Clicklist for a couple reasons. One is to save money. If I have a meal plan, which I usually do for the week, it's easier to go through and make sure I have all the ingredients that I need to prepare those meals. I also, and it keeps me from buying extra things that we really don't need.
How does Kroger help us love our heart? Their click list helps us in the process of decision making for our foods. It saves us time. Shayna does this a lot.
On Fridays, I'll put my order in on Friday morning or Thursday night, and then on my way home from school, I'll pick it up. That way, I'll have everything that I need to start my meal prep on Saturday.
So if you've never done this, I would encourage you to do it. But you pull right in here to Target. You pull right in here to Kroger, and here we are waiting for our groceries to come out. So Shayna's gonna do her little check in there.
Yes. Okay, thanks.
And it's that easy. So you have an app on your phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we have an app on the phone. You go in the night before. Is there a deadline?
If you want to get if you want to pick it up within a certain time frame, they'll give you options. Usually if I put the order in the night before, then I can pretty much choose any time that I want. If I put it in the morning of, then I'm glad he's not responsible for feeding us. We'd be in trouble.
Well, I will tell you this, we'd have fun while we were doing it, though. Like, we'd probably start out with Lucky Charms without the Lucky and just the Charms. Mid-morning snack would probably be Ruffles and leftover pizza. The afternoon, I'd take a nap because my belly would be hurting. And
then you get up and
be hungry again,
mm-hmm.
because of all of those rotten carbs that I had just eaten.
And sugar.
And by the way, our trunk's open.
For a reason.
What reason?
They're going to put the groceries in there.
You sign, you take your groceries and go home. And I didn't see any money exchange hands. Is this free?
No, you pay through the app.
So you do pay through the app. It's not free. I thought it was free. That's why I thought it was a great idea. Just forget this. I don't think this is a great idea at all. Thank goodness that Shane is doing a lot of the decision making on the cooking. I just eat it because I know it's good. It's delicious.
Sometimes you'll eat it. Sometimes you won't.
Well, those Brussels sprouts last night, I ate those, and I don't know if you expected me to eat those, but for most of my life, I was able to stay in fairly decent shape, keep running, and justify all the bad stuff with going out and running. And now that I've had bypass surgery, now that I have to take my medication for a heart disease, and we eat really well, but a very healthy way of eating. But when you get away with it for 40 plus years and you think that's just the way it's going to be, it just ends up being a kind of like a paradigm shift in your life, you know?
Well, on my mother's side, both my grandparents had double bypass surgery.
It's in your family. and it might show up later. Let's pray that it doesn't show up later. But you're doing the right thing. See, I was eating ice cream by the half gallon every week. And then I go out and run 10, 12 miles and feel justified because I ran it off. Yeah. But we can't do that anymore. And there's a lot of you out there who are watching this and are thinking, there's something wrong with you. But think about what you put into your body. Some people don't get away with it. Well, I'm not getting away with it.
Sorry, I don't want to mispronounce it. Is your name?
Yeah, Feldposh, yeah.
Sorry. That's okay. Alrighty. These are your 2 substitutions. That would go right to them.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alrighty.
No, ma'am.
Okay, receive everything in the back.
Uh-huh. All right, thank you. So that's the thing with Clicklist. You can check on the app if you want substitutions or not. Usually I just...
So if they offer substitutions, you
yeah,
take them?
so if they don't have something, then they're going to give you something close to it. Thank you. You too.
Loving your heart, even with Kroger Clicklist, and we're saving money. We're continuing to make really good choices. When I don't go into a grocery store, even with heart disease, and you might be saying, how in the world with heart disease do you still want to eat bad things? How with bypass surgery would you still want to eat bad things? I still want to eat bad things. And so you're saving money, you're eating better because you're not getting all the garbage. They won't bring it out. Shane has probably given them some special little note that says, don't bring anything. Did my husband sneak in something on the order, etc., etc. So those 3 things, convenience, time, we're saving our health, and we are saving money. And those are 3 things that by using Kroger Clicklist, you can love your heart. So I want to encourage you to subscribe, like, click that little bell, and check our link below for some of Shayna's delicious recipes. We'll see you in the next video.